Hi and welcome to Simple-ESL. In today's video, we are going to find out if your English level is A0. This is also known as a newcomer. We'll explain what this level means and show you some examples, and we'll give you a short test and a free homework test that you can do by yourself. If you're not sure what level you are, this is the best place to start. Now, by the end of the video, you will know exactly what A0 level includes and whether it matches your skills. Now, don't worry, we will help you find your true level, your real level, and send you to the right playlist to improve your level with the correct level of lessons. Now, what are we talking about when we say CEFR? What are CEFR levels? This is a guide for learning languages. It has levels from beginner to advanced. A0 is for complete beginners and C2 is for the expert level. This system allows you and me, the teachers, to know what you understand and what you can do in English. So it's a way around the world to measure your English level ability. Now, at A0, this is the very beginning. You may have only just started to learn English, or you may be revisiting the basics. You can say a few words and recognize things like numbers, names, greetings. But don't worry, everyone has to start somewhere. So you'll understand very basic words. You'll be able to say simple words and you can read short text. Here are some examples. Do you recognize any of these words? These are simple everyday words and are often supported by pictures in exercises. So we have apple, dog, numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, hello, and thank you. Let's try a little test. We're going to do a little listening test here. I'm going to read out a statement. I want you to listen and find the picture that matches what I say. So let's listen. This is a dog. This is a dog. Which one is correct? This is a dog. And there's our answer. This is a dog. We're going to do one more listening test. What do you hear? 4, 5, 6. Can you match it to any of the numbers? 4, 5, 6. There's our answer. 4, 5, 6. If you've got lots of answers correct so far, good job. You're at an A0 level at the moment, possibly a little bit higher. Let's go on to the next test. We have a reading test here. I want you to read the text and match it to the picture. How about this one? Dog. Milk. Which leaves banana. Let's try that again. I want you to look at the words, match it to the image. Apple. Apple. Chair. chair. So finally, sun, sun. Let's do some conversation test. I'd like you to pick the correct response to the conversation. So if someone says, hello, what would you say back? Choose the best answer. Would you say goodbye, hello, or banana? Hello. We would say hello back. A bit of a writing prompt. If you have pen and paper, can you write your name? My name is Will. What's one word you know in English? Is there a word that you know in English? Bread, drink. What's one word? Write it down. And a bonus challenge here. Can you read this text? Then answer the questions. What is the name? What animal do they like? And what is the greeting word? We have, what is the name? Sam. My name is Sam. The animal? I like cats. And the greeting word? Hello. Hello. So well done. It's now time to check how many you got right. If you're around 0 to 2 correct, you're at starting A0 level, which is perfect. We can use the A0 playlist with our lessons and we will build your vocabulary from there. If you got more than 4 right, well, you might be ready for the A1 level. 3 to 4, you might be ready for A1 level. 5 more correct, try the A1 level test next, which will be coming out shortly. What can you do next? Do you want to keep learning? Well, watch our A0 videos to practice the basic words. Then move on to A1 if you're ready. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next level test. And we do have a free quiz worksheet for this lesson to practice your level and see if A0 is good for you. Use the QR code below to get the free quiz worksheet for this lesson on our Patreon page. And hopefully we will see you in the rest of our A0 lessons.